Are you a small business owner tirelessly searching for that elusive grant funding to fuel your dreams? And Lendio keeps popping up in your searches, making you wonder, does Lendio offer grants? It's a common question, and one that deserves a clear, comprehensive answer. Many entrepreneurs, especially those new to the world of business financing, often blur the lines between grants, loans, and other forms of capital. And with so many platforms out there claiming to connect businesses with funding, it's easy to get confused. So, let's cut through the noise and delve deep into what Lendio is, what it offers, and whether grants are part of their portfolio. Now, back to the burning question, does Lendio offer grants? The straightforward answer, for the most part, is no. As of my last update, Lendio's primary business model revolves around connecting businesses with loans and other debt-based financing options, not grants. Grants are typically non-repayable funds awarded by government agencies, foundations, or corporations for specific purposes, often tied to social impact, innovation, or economic development. They don't require repayment and don't accrue interest, which is what makes them so attractive to small businesses. Lendio, however, focuses on a different side of the financing spectrum. So, if Lendio isn't offering grants directly, what does it offer? Lendio's marketplace provides access to a wide array of small business loan products designed to meet diverse financial needs. These include business term loans. This is perhaps the most traditional form of business financing. You borrow a specific lump sum and repay it with interest over a set period, usually monthly. Lendio's partners offer term loans with amounts ranging from a few $1,000s up to several million, with terms that can extend from a few months to several years. They are versatile and can be used for various business needs, from working capital to expansion. Business lines of credit. Imagine a flexible safety net for your business. A business line of credit allows you to borrow funds up to a certain limit. Much like a credit card, you only pay interest on the amount you actually draw, and as you repay the borrowed funds, the credit becomes available again. This is ideal for managing cash flow fluctuations, unexpected expenses, or seizing short-term opportunities. SBA loans. These are some of the most sought-after loans for small businesses, and Lendio is a significant player in connecting businesses with SBA-approved lenders. SBA loans are partially guaranteed by the U.S. Small Business Administration, which reduces the risk for lenders and often results in more favorable terms for borrowers, including lower interest rates and longer repayment periods. There are several types of SBA loans, such as the popular 7A loan for general business purposes, 504 loans for fixed assets like real estate or equipment, and microloans for smaller funding needs. While the application process for SBA loans can be more involved and take longer than other loan types, the benefits often make them worth the effort. Equipment financing. If your business needs to purchase new machinery, vehicles, or technology, equipment financing can be a great option. With this type of loan, the equipment itself serves as collateral, often leading to easier approval and competitive rates. Lendio's network includes lenders specializing in equipment financing for nearly every industry. Accounts receivable financing. Invoice factoring. This isn't technically a loan, but it's a valuable financing option for businesses that have outstanding invoices. With invoice factoring, you sell your unpaid invoices to a third party, the factor, at a discount in exchange for immediate cash. The factor then collects the payment from your customers. This can be a lifesaver for businesses with long payment cycles, helping to improve cash flow. Business cash advance, revenue-based financing, a business cash advance, provides you a lump sum of money in exchange for a percentage of your future sales or revenue. Repayment is typically made through daily or weekly deductions from your bank account. This option can be easier to qualify for, as lenders focus more on your business's revenue and cash flow than your credit history. It's often used by businesses with consistent credit card sales or predictable revenue streams. Startup loans. While grants for startups are highly competitive and rare, Lendio does offer options for new ventures. These can be particularly beneficial for businesses without an extensive credit history, providing a pathway to initial capital for launch and early growth. Commercial mortgages. For businesses looking to buy, build, expand, or refinance commercial properties, Lendio can connect them with lenders offering commercial mortgages. So, While Lendio does play a crucial role in the small business financing ecosystem, it's important to understand its function as a loan marketplace. They excel at simplifying the loan application process and expanding your access to various lending products. Now, you might be thinking, but I really need a grant. Where can I find those if Lendio doesn't offer them? That's a valid concern. If grants are specifically what you're seeking, you'll need to explore different avenues. Here are some key places to look for small business grants. Government agencies, Small Business Administration, SBA, grants.gov, state and local government, foundations and corporations, private foundations, corporate grant programs, nonprofit organizations, grant databases and resources. It's also worth noting that grant opportunities can be highly specific and often come with strict eligibility criteria and reporting requirements. They are not a quick solution for immediate capital needs. The application process can be lengthy and highly competitive. In conclusion, while the allure of free money from grants is undeniable, Lendio's core service is to provide a streamlined pathway to debt financing for small businesses. They are an excellent resource for exploring a wide range of loan products, from term loans and lines of credit to SBA loans and equipment financing. If your search specifically leads you to, does Lendio offer grants? The answer will guide you to understand that they facilitate repayable funding. For non-repayable grants, your search should pivot to government agencies, private foundations, and corporate programs. Knowing this distinction is key to navigating the complex landscape of small business funding effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.